Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we are going to explore topic 2, Biology Form 4, which is Human Physiology. We will cover two exciting subtopics, which is the Human Circulatory System and the Excretory System. We will start our lesson with the circulatory system first, which is like the highway in our body, full of traffic carrying oxygen and nutrient all over. So here is the learning objective today. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the three main components of the human circulatory system. Number 2 is describe the structure of the heart and its chambers. Number 3 is explain the pathway of blood circulation through the heart, lungs, and body. And number 4 is differentiate between oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in circulation. So here is the introduction of the heart. The heart is an essential organ in the human body responsible for pumping blood and maintaining circulation. Understanding its structure and function is critical for learning how the circulatory system supports life. So here is the main component of the heart. There are three main components, which is blood, heart, and blood vessel. For the blood connective tissue transporting nutrient, gases, and waste. Number 2 is heart, muscular pump circulating blood throughout the body. The last one is blood vessel, which is arteries, veins, and capillaries that carry blood to and from tissues. So here is the part of the heart, which is from our teaching aid of the structure of the heart. Here is the aorta, which is in here. For the here is pulmonary artery, which is in here. So the pulmonary veins, which is in here. And then this side is left atrium. At the below left atrium is mitral valve, which is in here. And then the aortic valve, which is below the mitral valve. Here is the left ventricle and here is the right ventricle. So here is the interior vena cava, which is in here, interior vena cava. This is tricuspid valve, which is in here. So the pulmonary valve, which is in here. And then the right atrium in here. So this side, which is right atrium, and the pulmonary veins, which is in here. So the last one is superior vena cava, which is in here.
So next we proceed to structure of the heart. Heart is located between lung and thorax cavity. It contains 4 chambers, which is right and left atria and right and left ventricles. Right and left side is separated by the septums. Next is blood circulation. This is teaching aid of structure of the heart. The deoxygenated blood enters into the right atrium via vena cava, and then the blood will contrast into the right ventricle. The right ventricle will push up the deoxygenated blood into the lung. Lung will release the carbon dioxide and absorb the oxygen. The oxygen will going to the left atrium and then to the left ventricle. The left ventricle will push up the oxygen into our body via aorta.
So next, we are going to the excretory system. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to define the excretory system and explain its importance in maintaining homeostasis. Second, you will identify the main organs of the human excretory system and their function. Third, we will describe the process of urine formation. This includes 3 important stages, which is filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. And the last one, we will trace the pathway of urine from the kidneys to outside the body. So this is the definition excretory system. The excretory system is a group of organs that work together to remove waste products and maintain a stable internal environment. This system helps regulate water balance, control salt levels, eliminate toxins, and remove excess heat from the body. Without it, harmful substances would build up in the body, leading to severe health problems. So, excretory basically a system of organs that remove waste products, regulates water and salt balance, eliminates toxins, and maintain internal stability.
On this slide, we can see the main organs of urinary system and their function. The first one, we can see the renal artery, which is the red one, carries oxygenated blood to the kidneys. Second, we can see the renal vein, which is the blue one, carries the oxygenated blood from the kidneys to the heart. So, kidneys filter blood, remove urea, salt, waters, and produce urine. So, this is our ureters. Part of ureters carry urine from kidneys to the bladder. This is our bladder. The bladder stores urine temporarily until we are ready to release it. The last part is urethra. This is our urethra. Carries urine outside the body. We move to the next slide. So, the kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located just below the rib cage. They filter about 50 gallons of blood each day, removing waste materials and forming about 1.5 liter of urine. Each kidney contains over 1 million nephrons, tiny structures that filter the blood and begin the urine-making process. Blood enters the kidney through the renal artery, is filtered in the nephrons, and exits via the renal vein. The kidneys also help regulate red blood cell production and maintain the body balance of salt, waters, and minerals.
So guys, now we proceed to excretion process. Excretion process start with blood with waste enter kidney via renal arteries. Inside the kidney, filtration happen in glomerulus. Small molecules like urea, salt, and water enter bromine capsule. And the third one is reabsorption, that is useful substance return to blood, and at the same time, secretion is additional waste add to the filtrate. And remaining fluid, this is urine and it contains urea, salt, and water. This urine will flow to the bladder via ureters, and this is bladder and this is ureters. This urine will flow to the bladder using this ureters. So I will show you guys how it works. In our teaching aid model, we can see water flowing just like how urine travels from the kidney to the bladder. So, the key steps are filter, resolve, and add waste, and find urine and it's out. And I hope you understand and can master this topic very well. And thank you for joining class lesson today. See you in the next class.